morning, good afternoon, good night. This is your girl Shamika from Get Money. Today I'm doing a video to document my journey on passive income. And today I wanted to go over my ICO called FiCoin. The ICO is over, it's closed, it was very successful. They have been very active on their Twitter and on their Telegram group. And we have some big things coming up with this ICO. So I can't wait. Very excited. I just want to log into my account, onto my site, and take a look and see what's going on over here. I'm gonna go over the white papers just in case you still want to get into this ICO, not into ICO, but invest in the coin itself. This is their back office. And this is pretty nice, clean. You can definitely see. I wish they had like a night mode where you can turn it, but the background black. I'll put a suggestion with the devs to see if they will want to implement that for those that don't like the all white. It's just my preference. I like to have the background like in Bittrex. You can turn the night mode on, and I like that. And continuing on, in my wallet, they only had 2 rounds, well, three rounds, a pre-sale, a round 1 and round 2. I got in on round 2 because it was yeah, it was a good experience though. This ICO was really good. Got in at 89 cents. I'm happy with that. I'm not complaining at all. Anything under $1 I consider winning. So that's this one. And this is where the settings for Fibonacci settings, this is where they don't have it activated yet, but this is where we'll see those settings when it's up and running and activated. Okay, it's going to be very interesting to see that. And I'm just going to go over the white pages a little bit of what I like to look at, the solution and how it's going to work. So it says our solution to this trading platform problem is a new generation intelligent trading bot called FIBO. Here we are going, how are we going to do this? The plan is both simple and straightforward. We combine both the classical approach to trading with an innovative one. FIBO will use existing well-known trading strategies based on technical analysis such as Fibonacci, retracement, support, and resistance, along with head and shoulders technique. Cryptocurrency news is the innovative indicator FIBO will use for safety reasons as far as trades are concerned. I like that. And then it says, how does it work? FiCoin work. The key to FiCoin is the word diversification. This means that the investment is divided in equal parts, which are invested in different investment products and fulfilling different strategies. The overall return percentage is defined by the success of the separate mini investments. Over time, the cryptocurrency market will change, and there will often be periods of uncertainty where other lending investments will fail to provide the promised returns. Where FiCoin differs that we have multiple income strategies, creating additional returns that are accrued and used as an investment protection fund. This ensures that regardless of changes in the market, we will be able to provide the promised returns for the long term. So they're definitely planning on being around for a while, which I'm so excited. So that is FiCoin. You can still go over the different strategies that they have, which they have plenty of. And I've read this thing at least 5 or 6 times, this white paper. For me personally, it's worth my investment. This is their roadmap, left to right. Okay, you read that yourself. And these are the exchanges they want to advance to and get listed on as well. And at this point, that's where you have to get this coin, is when they get to the exchange, because you don't have an account. You already missed the ICO. They want to roll out the mobile wallet app as well. Just so many different things this thing can do, this particular ICO can do. Definitely diversify, which I love diversification. Mining, lending, staking, holding, or aka hodling your coins, just hold it until the end. So I like that they're incorporating that same theory as well, because that's what a lot of us like to do, is hodl our coins and to diversify, trade, and all that good stuff. So that is the end of this video. I just want to go over So then this is the white paper. If anyone wants to still go over and read this, the white paper has some good information on here as well. The main thing I want to look at that I like is the vision on page 6. The vision and the current problem in the next page as well. The vision is to make a steady passive income for our investors, which are sustainable over the long term. We will use the advantage of latest technologies in the area of machine learning, data and math analysis, AI, blockchain, and mobile development in order to bring to life a fully autonomous, clever trading bot. The current problem: recently there has been the release of many trading platforms and trading groups onto the cryptocurrency market. Although anyone can access this information, it is usually time consuming and often the information is not correct. Also, the emotions of traders when operating in this field quite often play a negative role on their composure and good judgment. An affordable platform, application, or a bot that can trade instead of us and earn a continuous, stable, and passive income hasn't been created thus far. The biggest weakness of the crypto market is its volatility, but on the other hand, it's this volatility that can provide the opportunity for huge returns and huge gains. The solution and how does it work? The solution, which was pretty much what I just went over on the other page, it both is simple and straightforward. They combine the classical approach of trading with the innovative one, FIBO. I call it FIBO because it's short for Fibonacci. We'll use existing well-known trading strategies based on technical analysis such as Fibonacci, retracement, support and resistance, along with head and shoulders technique. Cryptocurrency news is innovative indicator for FIBO. We'll use for safety reasons as far as the traders are concerned. This is how it works. The key to FiCoin is the word diversification. This means that the investment is divided into equal parts, which are invested in different investment products and fulfilling different strategies. The overall return percentage is defined by the success of the separate mini investment, not just one, separate. Over time, the crypto market will change and there will often be periods of uncertainty. Where other leading investments will fail to provide their promised returns, where FiCoin differ is that we have multiple income strategies, creating additional returns that are accrued and used as an investor's protection fund. This ensures that regardless of the changes in the market, we will be able to provide the promised returns for the long term. So they're in it for the long haul. And that, my friend, is my conclusion and my overview of FiCoin and why I invested into this particular currency. And it is an ERC20 token. I did get my tokens in my MEW wallet, and I'm so excited about that. MEW is my Ether wallet. Okay? And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. And let's get this money!